towards Grandpa. Walk towards Grandpa.
Yeah. Say hi to Mom and Dad, Dublin. Say hi.
Say hi.
You can do it. Yes. Push, push.
Here, let me show you. Look. It goes like this. You hold it. Here, put your hands on it. Put your hands on it. Okay? Put your hands on it. Both hands. Okay, now let's walk. Keep your hands down like that. Go forward now. Go forward. Come towards me. Come here. Push your popper. Here, like this. Look. Keep it right there. No, not up so high.